you're snoring.
Just say hello. Look, there's a camera.
She can't see anything.
No, she's blind.
She's quivering.
Quivering, yeah. Very excited.
That's because I'm here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
Christmas decks are up today.
I've got the Erry.
What
I missed them.
They were.
Yes, Father brought in the tree. Did you put the lights on as well?
Well, Mum and me did.
Okay,
Mum
and then
mainly.
Mum has decorated and it looks beautiful. And I have had a very lazy late morning and I've had my soak in the tub and dyed my hair that I was going to do last night but couldn't because I was working on that bag. The house is looking very beautiful. I will show you later, but we're going to do calendars first. You might need to put your dog down so you could get your gin.
Yes.
I had a sniff of Mum's yuzu gin and it did smell very citrusy. I thought that was nice. Did you notice any difference?
Well, I shouldn't have put lemon in it, should I? But it was very nice. Yeah, it was very nice.
Okay, number 12. I think you're still a day behind with your gin, aren't you?
Yeah. Am I? I think I gave one to Susan, didn't I?
Maybe
yeah. So I think I'm up to. I've been very generous of giving 2 away. This is pink grapefruit and pomelo. So that might be nice.
There we go, by Chase. It is kind of very slightly tinted, isn't it? Pink gin.
Pink gin.
Really nice. My turn. Dad's already reading the instructions of what we need to do today.
This is
Good
good.
job I am.
Oh, is it a long one?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
What delights do we have today? Please, something I really want. Milky. 50% chocolate. That's fine.
Is it?
That's fine. Totally fine.
You'll enjoy
Better
it.
than yesterday's.
Oh, what was yesterday?
The coconut.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There you go, Jojo. You got your Okay.
Coconut.
But I made a meal last night using coconut milk.
I don't like
Oh, it was-
coconut milk. It's the desiccated and
And it was lovely, wasn't it?
you can't
Yeah, so you
taste coconut milk in something, can you?
There's the taste of coconut. I really enjoyed last night's dinner very
It's
much.
very nice.
Yeah.
So 12 was there.
Yep.
Oh, hang on. Where's my camera?
I don't.
I know we're on the camera, but I need another one. We need behind the scenes footage.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
right.
You may proceed.
Oh, there's not. Oh. Oh.
Hang on. Let's have a quick look. Have you found what you're looking for? Then take a closer look.
I can see a barrel.
The order reveals the order. The order reveals the order. I can't actually see now. I haven't got my glasses.
Shine or
Your
show?
photo's better.
They're really good. That phone really does manage to.
Okay. So whose room? That looks like a printing press. Jamie Fraser?
Ooh.
I mean, I don't know.
Outlander.
The order reveals the
There's a
order.
barrel.
So have you found what you are looking for? Then take a closer look. And it is a barrel. Oh!
If you're clever, you can fill every column, row and 3x3 square with exactly 9 different letters or numbers.
Looks like a Sudko, which I like.
Oh, Gutenberg, not
It's a
Jamie
word.
Fraser.
Ah, what's Gutenberg?
He's a famous printer, isn't he? Didn't he do a Bible? Gutenberg? I don't know. I thought he was a famous printer. In my head, that's what's going on. Susie's not pleased about being indoors. Yeah, I've got 9. So these are the 9 letters. So it is Sudoku, you're right, Mum.
But with letters, I've only done it with numbers. Oh no, it's not an N.
Yeah.
Profanity.
Dad's just cheating.
I'm not.
He's straight up cheating. It's much easier with numbers.
An S and a E.
So
Nearly
we
there.
need an I in this one. It's numbers. Well done. Okay.
Good.
So the order reveals the order.
Have you seen it before?
Oh, my battery's dying. Okay. 2 seconds.
Oh, find
Hang
the...
on. They were being interesting with no camera, with no battery in the camera. Yes.
Find the
Third
window.
W. Where's
Or
the W?
W.
No, it's W.
W.
Find the third W.
Yeah. Is there a W in there? Oh, right. Every calendar page in the storybook.
Well, that makes sense.
It's supposed to look in the frame.
9. There's a 9 in the frame.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah, that's what you're looking for.
That's
Here's
a
another
4.
one. That's 4, and there we are.
And that's a 4. And
And
the order reveals the order. So
Oh, the order
9,
of it. So
4, 4.
And the number is 944.
We got there.
Oh, okay. But apparently, so these little arrows, right? So
Yeah.
it's star, 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 star plus. So it's down one, up one, back one, star, star plus.
Oh,
That's
is
what
that
these little
right?
arrows are doing.
Ah,
We got there.
That was a good one, that one.
that was very
Well,
good.
thank goodness we had Mum, because Sudko.
Would be here a long
Dad
time.
and I really would have been here a long time.
I'm glad I have my uses.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
My neck hurts from looking down so much now, though.
I need to do more Sudoku because I do enjoy
There you go, there's a stocking stuffer idea.
it.
Right.
Right.
So today is technically my day off.
Right.
And I was going to start. We don't go away.
Right.
I need like a shepherd's crook to like make sure that they'll stay in place. Words are really hard. So yes, today's technically my day off. So I am going to come down here and I'm going to play in my new bullet journal because I'm going to set my printer up and I've got my printer paper and I'm going to have a day. Oh, I'm going to film it because I want to do a reveal of my bullet journal, but that is the plan for me.
Okay.
You are tired, aren't you? You've had a very long morning.
Yeah, putting up Christmas decorations, climbing up ladders.
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably best unsupervised because Dad
But-
and I would both have been like,
No,
Dad-
no, I
Dad
was holding her
supervised.
hand.
Oh, good.
Dad supervised.
Yeah.
But we're out at 4:30.
oh, so I need to go to the shop with you first then. So
Oh, well,
let's go
do
we're going to
that.
go do shopping.
Bye.
They're going out for cards this evening, so they're abandoning me, so I need to feed myself. So we're going to do that. And then I will report back with painting update, tree update, hot chocolate update.
Ooh, gin update. No.
No, gin tomorrow.
Gin tomorrow.
It's really pretty. Very pretty. We've got some stockings. Our very first Christmas card. It's about an hour later and it's absolutely pitch black outside. It's 4:30. But snacks have been acquired. Mum and Dad have left for the evening and I'm going to try this, which is really nice. I do prefer dark chocolate, but that's just my preference. If you like milk chocolate, this is a really good option. The literally 50% milky chocolate, and I'm going to enjoy it. Right, I'm going to see if I can set up my printer now that I have got some time to do it properly. Get that working and hopefully print out some stickers for my bullet journal. But we shall see how successful that is. Wish me luck. Ah dear, it's not going according to plan. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. Yeah. Managed to install the cartridge with the tag still on of it, and then had to work out how to take that out. But it turns out it's easy and just needed a Google. Now I need to download the app and set it up that way, and then I can start my free instant ink trial as well. I can do this.
6.5 hours later.
It is much later. In fact, it's 10 o'clock, but I've had a very nice evening playing around with my printer, and I have got some of my bullet journal done, but I only had, well, I had 13 sheets of printer paper, but this printer does not like more than one sheet being fed into it at a time, so I had one image that printed out over 2 pages, like split, and I had a couple of nightmares, so I've lost 3 pages. So I've got 10 pages worth of stickers in here. I had 33 in total, so I've got another 23 pages to do, and I've got another pack of sticker paper coming hopefully on the 14th, which should allow me to finish this journal. I'm still not 100% sure that I want to use this one because I have found Citrus Book Bindery who actually do a journal with the paper weight that I like, with the amount of pages that I want, at the size that I want. And this is a B5 notebook, and it's only, I can only have like a week on a page. I was thinking that that would be okay because I would have another messy notebook like I have had this year, but I kind of think I want more space in my bullet journal. So I'm setting this one up, and it might end up being something that gets given away. It would need to be given away to somebody who sews, because there's, you know, fabric bought, made, alterations. One that's specific, the sewing retreat, it might not work, but there's pages like this which I've put in for big projects that I'm gonna put, like, you know, fabric bought and what the project is and that kind of thing in. So I think it would be useful for most people. It's just the sewing retreat one that might not be something that everybody does in a year, but I wanted to keep a record of the retreat that I run this run next year. I might still buy myself the Citrus Book Bindery book, but it is an £88 notebook, which is incredibly expensive. But when I think about the fact that I use this thing every single day of the year, as I say, that one is probably going to be more tailored to my needs than this one would be. I'm still toying up whether if I do that or not, because the other thing as well is I've obviously set the entirety of this one up already, as in I've drawn all the boxes. I've only just got to put the stickers in now, and for the other one I would need to draw everything up. But you don't usually, most people don't do an entire bullet journal in one sitting. Usually they plan month by month, so I could do that with the next one. And as long as I got January set up and the kind of collections that go at the beginning of a bullet journal set up, then that could work. So I may be giving this one away. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure yet, but I might do. Anyway, that is it for Vlogmas day 12, and I've had a lovely day off. I really needed it. I was planning on jumping straight into dressmaking today, and I'm going to do that tomorrow, but yeah, it was really nice. I was saying in the hangout yesterday that I was going to have a soak in the bath and dye my hair and have a pamper session, and I did that this morning, and then went shopping with mum for foodie bits, which was very nice, and then been playing with paper crafts all afternoon and chatting to a friend that I haven't talked to in a very long time as well, which has been absolutely lovely. So I've had a wonderful evening. I am going to stop waffling at you because I know today's Vlogmas is very short, but that is the nature of a day off, isn't it? So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit I have filmed, and I will see you all tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye!